Here is a quick tour of our virtual school Google Classroom. Children are automatically enrolled into the virtual classroom. Their parents receive this letter explaining how they can access it. They're assigned to a classroom based on their academic need. This information is provided by their school, allowing us to tap into the tacit knowledge of the people who know them best. Once they join a classroom, they will be warmly greeted with a message from one of our highly skilled virtual school educators with a video tour of the Google Classroom, explaining and modelling how they can access their work and hand it in. Beneath the video in the stream, they are able to engage in a dialogue with the teachers. Also on the stream, pupils are able to communicate safely with other pupils. Here you can see a conversation between two pupils. The class teacher is here the whole time, facilitating and monitoring the conversation. Next, we'll take a look at the Classwork section. In this section, we have 10 lessons, each for reading, writing and maths, separated into days. All pupils start on day 1. They can click on the subject, writing, reading or maths, and then open the work that has been set for them. They are also able to comment on this work. Once the reading, writing and maths has been completed for the day, there are a range of well-being activities for them to access as they would like. In the teacher section, we can see all of the children who have been added into the classroom. If we click on one of the pupils, we're able to view the classwork area. Here you can see the work that has been provided by this pupil and scores for the work. We can also see a record of any interactions in the form of comments or attachments between the teacher and the pupil. Opening one of the assignments takes us into the piece of work where we can see the individual's classroom area. Alongside the work, we can see where there has been an exchange between a teacher and a pupil, as well as looking through any feedback that has been provided to them. Within the piece of work, we would also be able to see where it had been marked. This marking would be collected and stored in our online learning and engagement tracker. This is compiled by our virtual school educators and shared with the linked teacher and updated daily. A simple colour coding system makes it easy to understand, but comments can be used to capture further information if required. This can form a useful dialogue between the virtual school and the linked teacher. An example of this might be ensuring that a pupil is being given work at the correct pitch.